Good afternoon. It's approximately 12 noon, which means it's lunchtime. In just a moment, the tone will sound, and then I'll be able to go fetch my lunch, this time with a mask on.
식사 배달을 모두 마쳤습니다. 객실 문 앞에 도시락이 준비되어 있으니 천천히 맛있게 드십시오. 감사합니다.
I've finished. The meal delivery is complete. A lunchbox is prepared in front of the room door, so please enjoy your meal slowly. Thank you.
送晚饭了，客厅门前准备好了便当，慢慢享用吧。谢谢。食事の配達をすべて終えました。客室のドアの前にお弁当をご用意しておりますので、ごゆっくりお召し上がりください。ありがとうございます。
Раздача еды завершена. Откройте дверь своей комнаты, возьмите коробку для завтрака, поставленную перед дверью, и медленно наслаждайтесь. Спасибо.
Now that we got that over, I've got my food here. I was just noticing in the hallway there's someone that has their lunch and breakfast, and I hope they're okay. No slip and fall accidents or anything there, but I will have the hotel staff quarantine facility check on that person after the lunch is over. Again, it's 12 noon here. 8-9 hours, depending on what time zone you are, difference for the US as far as actual time, but it's Thursday for me right now, Thursday lunchtime. Glasses off here, see the food. Rice, and I would suspect soup. Water. Grape. I'll pick that up later, as usual. All right, so the logistics is it's Thursday now, and then on the 31st, on Monday, that's when I check out at 7 a.m. They need us to have our bags completely ready, and for me, they're saying that everyone gets a pre-exit look over. I think the room gets looked over, and then you get looked over before you leave. So I'll have that all checked out sometime before I leave. So with that, I will have to just see how it all goes. I'm keeping the room neat, clean, and I haven't broken anything, but that's what they want to make sure. I haven't broken anything, gone crazy. And then we'll just see what we have for food here. So it looks like these are like some sort of fried chicken patty. Let's just sample and see. It's chicken. Might be panko coated or some sort of local coating. Here we go. Let's see what this is. Kimchi, I think. Chili kimchi. And then this green stuff. I don't know if it's spinach or something. I don't know what it is. So we got this. Now, this is interesting. It's got the texture kind of meat, somewhere between meat and mushroom. And the flavor is about the same between meat and mushroom. It's not meat, not mushroom, something in between, maybe some sort of other fungus. Don't know what it is. And this, it's a white pickled something. Not pickled, steamed. So it's, okay, let's see. It's got a little, it's like got a little piece of pepper, a little piece of onion, and then might be zucchini. It's hard to say. But it's in, it's either steamed or slightly fried, like stir-fried vegetables. So it has pepper in it, and then it's got garlic, maybe sesame oil, and the stir fry. And then you've got these little fried patties. Close up, close up. There we go. In the camera. There. I know it's taken a while to say anything, but it's like a square sausage. Strange. Now, try the soup. I think we've had it before. Let's try it. I think that might be that potato soup. It's like thick. It might not have any potatoes in it, but it's just the consistency of potato soup. And then there's the mustard to dip the chicken. I'll try it with some mustard, and that'll be it for the tasting. Okay, so going back to logistics I was talking about, the mustard's good. So, moving on from that, I'm being released from the facility on a Monday. The Monday is a holiday. So I believe in Korea and China it might be part of the Chinese New Year, the Korean New Year, or whatever. Just, it's a New Year, the Lunar New Year starts Monday, Tuesday in that range. So there's holidays during that time period. Wednesday is the flight day. I leave at 10 p.m. So I could definitely, 10 p.m. does give me a little bit of time, but my intention was to, as soon as I landed, to make all the visa final COVID, did I jump through the proper hoops? Do I have the proper paperwork? Do I have it been fully tested? Are you going to exempt me from any further quarantine? All that has to be taken care of, I believe, in the Chinese embassy. I intended to do that on day number one. Day number one, I ended up overnighting in this facility and will overnight for 10 days straight. So that only gives, if they have limited hours in the morning, that's great. I could go to the Chinese embassy, take care of any things. Now, for visa things, they want a current photo, and they want this uploaded, that uploaded. It could be uploaded online, or you could go in person. If I could take care of that online, I'm good. Then a holiday means nothing. if anything has to be taken in care of in person, then I'm in trouble. So the problem with even online is you'll get acknowledgments, is it being processed? And then I have to go, if I do it all online, then was it done properly? Can I expedite it? Is it processed? Can I, go there in person? So all that has to be done on Wednesday if it's closed, or the hours are limited on Monday and Tuesday. So those are all the questions that get answered Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday upon release. I get released 7 a.m. That's when I have to be vacated. All the bags have to be packed before then, get ready for the out. And so that leaves a very early day for most people. For me, it's no big deal. I've been up since 3 a.m. Local time, and I'll go to bed around midnight. So I get 2 or 3 hours of solid sleep at night, and then I might take a half-hour nap here and there as needed, when I'm not doing other things. The rest of the time is occupied with, making these videos, uploading them up to YouTube, the cloud. And the other thing I do is I try to get exercise, and then I post to Instagram. I also have Instagram, where I'm posting a lot of previous pictures that were, not to bore everyone, but logistics sometimes get in the way of things. I had a hard drive that malfunctioned, and then I lost a lot of photos. I was able to recover the photos, which put me behind on schedule on Instagram. I'm getting caught up. So I'm still posting things from, honestly, beginning of November. So November, December, now I'm almost in the end of January now, so I'm 3 months behind on posting things. I'm posting things that I filmed just before I left, and then I'm going back in time. And so that's an explanation of what's going on with Instagram. So Instagram does not show me in China. Hopefully I'll get all that stuff done before I leave Korea. So then I'll post I'll post Korean stuff while I'm in China, and I'll post China stuff while I'm doing the Olympics. So, and then as far as YouTube, that will be stuff that I'm currently doing. Wherever country I'm in, I'm posting the same day. So months behind on Instagram. Facebook is in real time also. So that's the way it works. So food, it tastes pretty good. I've got 2 things of rice today, 1 thing of grape juice, 1 water, soup, and the chicken and kimchi and the steamed vegetables or fried vegetables, whatever it was, and everything. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to eat in privacy. So I'm going to sign out with the little tone and the message that comes, and then see you until next meal, which should be evening meal. Have a good day.
식사 배달을 모두 마쳤습니다. 객실 문 앞에 도시락이 준비되어 있으니 천천히 맛있게 드십시오. 감사합니다.
I've finished. The meal delivery is complete. A lunchbox is prepared in front of the room door, so please enjoy your meal slowly. Thank you.
送晚饭了，客厅门前准备好了便当，慢慢享用吧。谢谢。食事の配達をすべて終えました。客室のドアの前にお弁当をご用意しておりますので、ごゆっくりお召し上がりください。ありがとうございます。
Раздача еды завершена. Откройте дверь своей комнаты. Возьмите коробку для завтрака, поставленную перед дверью, и медленно наслаждайтесь. Спасибо.